Good day, we are from class T2 and our system is called BIJO, the Malaysia Transport Booking System. First of all, let me introduce our group member. So, my name is Sheng and these are my teammates Tan Jun Xin, Lim Chun Hao and Kelven. So, BIJO is a web-based bus transport booking system developed to digitalize the process of booking bus tickets in Malaysia, making it easier and more convenient. It serves as a centralized platform where users can easily register, log in, search for bus routes, select their seats, and view their booking history all in one system. So, the system is built using modern web technology such as HTML for structure of page, CSS for styling and layout, JavaScript for user interaction, PHP for handling logic, and MySQL for database management. It runs on a local server using Jump, which makes it easier to test and use. Furthermore, Visual is designed for two main types of user, such as passenger and administrator. For passenger, they can make booking operation and manage their booking. And for administrator, they can access to back-end control panel where they can manage the system, including oversee bus schedules, seat availability, and user records. So this can improve accuracy, reduce human error, and ensure smooth operation for both user and transport providers. Now we come to problem statement. The first one, traditional method of bus ticket booking nowadays still heavily rely on a manual process such as physical counters, phone calls, and handwritten logs. This outdated way not only result in long waiting times but also causing disorganized records and human errors. This could be very inconvenient and confusing for them. Apart from that, the lack of centralized digital system for administrator to manage the booking. It is hard for them to update schedules, manage seat, and organize customer information using a manual system. Besides, important information and detail are written in handwritten note and Excel sheet, and they are stored in different places. This further increases the risk of error, such as double booking, missing record, and wrong updates. And without a centralized digital system, the way to track booking and change route detail is very difficult and confusing. Therefore, this will lead to another problem, which is poor user experience. Everything will become slow, ineffective, and less reliable, which further damage the company image and cause user to lose their trust. And lastly, the lack of user-friendly and accessible online booking system limit the convenience and satisfaction for user. Without a self-service website, users cannot check their bus schedule on their own, see availability, seat, or edit their booking details. This lack of convenience and flexibility limit the efficiency of transport system and discourage users.
So the primary objective of the diesel transport booking systems is to develop a user-friendly and reliable web application that digitalizes and handles the process of bus booking and managing services. It is designed to enhance the experience for both users and admin by providing a centralized and automated platform. This could simplify daily operations as well as reduce human errors and further improve overall performance. For users, Viso is designed to provide a simple and intuitive interface where users can independently register and sign up for their accounts, safely search for available bus routes and dates, choose their seats, and confirm their booking all in one place and real time. Besides, users are able to view and edit their bookings, which allows them to keep track of their travels. This ensures the flexibility and convenience of the systems for users. Since the system is automated and self-service, users can avoid themselves waiting in a long queue or keeping in contact and coming to the counter just to buy the tickets. This not only makes the process become more convenient and efficient, but also further improve user satisfaction. For administrators, Piso is developed to make daily operations simple and more organized. The system provides functions for admin including updating and deleting bus information, setting departure and arrival times, managing seat capacities, and monitoring current bookings all in one place. With these features, all operations can be made quickly, accurately, and up to date. Besides, it also reduces the need for manual work and human errors, which further enhance the overall efficiency and performance. In addition, Piso also aims to be more scalable and easier to maintain for users. By using open source technologies such as PHP and MySQL, Piso not only keeps the development cost low, but also make it easier to maintain and update in the long term. This ensures that Piso can continue to meet any needs in the future. By meeting these objectives, Piso delivers a practical and efficient solution to common problems that found in traditional bus booking systems. It not only provides an easier and convenient way for users to book their trips, but also offer administrators with features that manage daily operations more effectively. Through this automation and accurate, Bizo act as a more organized, reliable, and user-friendly transport booking systems to users.
Alright, so when user first enter the system, they arrive at the main menu page. Actually, user can see the current day and time, and user can choose whether they want to register a new account or log in into their account to book a ticket. So if the user choose to register a new account, they are required to fill in their full name, their email address, a password, and a password confirmation. There is an option down below here that will navigate user to the main page in case they accidentally click on the register option. So if the user choose on the login option, they require to fill in the email address and the password. And there is also an option over here that get user to the register page if they accidentally click on the login option. And below here is another login option that is specifically for the admin, since the default login option is for regular users. All right, now I'm going to log into my account. All right, after the regular user login, user will be directed to the user dashboard. In the user dashboard, they can search for routes to book a ticket, view the booking history, view the upcoming trips, view the recent action, and also view the bookings in calendar form. When user click on the search route option, they'll be directed to a page where they can search for buses based on their desired departure location, destination, and travel date. So first, they have to choose a departure location. I'm going to choose Malacca. But destination, I'm going to choose Kuala Lumpur, and let's say I'm going to choose 15th of July. Once the user enter their desired departure location, destination, and travel date, the system will display buses that matches the user requirement. In the available bus section, user can see the details of each bus, such as the departure time, arrival time, price, and available seats. So the price is for the price per seats. Alright, and after user find the bus they prefer, they can continue the booking by clicking book now. After clicking book now, user will be directed to the select seat page to choose for the seats for the booking. At the top of the page, user can see the details of the bus, including the travel route, the date, the price per seat, and the available seats. User can also know whether the bus is available, selected, booked, or unavailable through color indicators. So it is white color if it's available. If it is selected, it's green color. If it is booked, it is red color, and it is black color if it is unavailable. I will show this later using a second account. So first, let's choose a seat. I'm going to choose A5 and A6. Once the user are done selecting the seats, the total price for the selected seats will be shown below. User can then choose continue payment once they have confirmed the seats and be directed to the payment page. In the payment page, user can see the booking summary, including their travel route, their travel date, the seats that they selected, and the total price. So if the user wish to change their selected seat, they can click the change seat option at the bottom of the page to return to the select seat page. Once they have done confirming their booking, they can proceed to complete the booking by entering the payment amount and click the complete payment. So it's 24 ringgit. Let's say I type 23 ringgit. It's going to say the amount paid is insufficient and I need to pay at least 24 ringgit. And if I type 25 ringgit, it's going to say my payment was successful and my change was 1 ringgit. So I'm going to log into my second account now and show that the seat is available. Malacca, KL, and 15 July. Alright, as you can see here, the seat that you booked with the first account just now is become red color, which means it is booked and other users cannot book it anymore. Alright, now let's back to the first account. Alright, when user click on the booking history option, they'll be directed to the page showing all of the bookings that the user has made along with the status of each booking, such as confirmed or cancelled. User can select a specific ticket to view more detail about the ticket, such as the seat that they have booked, the total price for the booking, and the date the booking was made. User also provided with the option to cancel the booking or print the ticket. So if the user to print the ticket, here is the image that the ticket will be printed. And let's say if the user want to cancel the booking, there will be a 70% refund given back to the users. Now, in the upcoming trip section, it will display all the upcoming and confirmed booking that the user has made, along with details such as the route, the seats booked, and the travel dates. You will not display any of the cancelled bookings. In the recent action, you will list all of the activities that the user has done recently, such as the time and date the users booked a ticket or cancel a ticket. Now, in the travel calendar section, the dates that the user has booked to the travel will be marked with blue color, and hovering over them will show the travel route that has been booked. As you can see over here is from Malacca to Kuala Lumpur. All right, and that is all for the regular users. Thank you.
Right, I'm Tan Jun Xin, and I will continue to explain our admin functionalities. So this is our main page, and I will click the login. Since we are admin now, so I will click the admin login here at the bottom, and I will key in the account. Yeah, for this, and the password, and I will click login as admin. So this is our admin dashboard, and in the dashboard we will have a welcoming message and also the date and time for current. And we have four functions here, which are the manage buses, route, and view the bookings, and also manage the user. Okay, let's introduce the first function, which is the manage buses. So as I click in, we can see this page for bus management, and there are so many examples of the bus that identify by their own bus code, which start from BUS 001, and the route for the bus, which is from Larkin to Malacca Central for the first one, and the departure time, like 7 a.m. to the arrival time, 12 p.m. And also the price for each person to buy the ticket, and also the seat available for the buses in current. And for normal, it's just default for 40. And for the action, we can edit the bus and also delete the bus here for the bus code 001. And let's see the edit first. All right, we can edit the bus code here, and also the route for this bus, and also the departure time, arrival time, the price, and also the seat available. Let's say we change the price first to 20, right? So we change to 25, and we click update bus, and there's a message here pop up, and which means the price is changed here. All right. So also we can add the new bus here. All right. We can choose the bus code BUS, let's say 250, and we can select the route from what we can use, or just equal to place, and the time from 3 p.m. maybe 3 p.m. to arrival time, maybe if the police just 3 hours maybe 6 p.m. sorry. All right, so the price, like we just said, 50 ringgit maybe, and the total seat we just default 40 already. So we can add bus here. All right, the bus is added successfully, and we can scroll down to bus 2250, and the route is from Perak to Malaysia. Price is 15 ringgit, and the time is from 3 to 6. All right, so also we can delete the bus. Just click delete and okay, and the bus is deleted successfully. So this is for the bus management. So for the second is the manage route. As we click in, we can see there are many routes here that the user can choose from, and the route is identified by their own ID also, and also the departure from Perak or Pahang or something, and the destination also different for each route. And they also have the action for the admin to edit or delete. So we can edit here. It's just a sample. All right, we just add a new route. Let's say just a sample, like from Bukit Buang. And the destination, we can just put Puchong. This is a sample. That will delete it. And add route. So the route is added successful. The route ID is different with others, and the departure is from Bukit Buang to Puchong. And also we can edit it. Yeah, the route ID is 206. You just say Puchong Bukit Buang. I will like this and update route. And the route is completed to Puchong. Alright, so we can delete the route also. Just click OK. And the route is deleted successfully. Then back to dashboard. Alright, this is the third functions of the admin, which is the views booking from the user. And in this page, in this booking management page, we can see there is a sort function here that we can sort the ticket start from and to what date, and also the status of the tickets, and also from what user. And there are so many bookings here that they are also identified by their own bookings ID, and also the username and the email, and also the route and travel dates selected, and the total price that paid to the system, and also the status of the ticket. They are classified to three, which are the confirmed status, cancel, and also done. All right, and there are two actions that the admin can use, which is the views and also print out the tickets. All right, let's back to the sorting here. We just choose today until the end of the July. The status, we just choose confirm, and also the user, we choose full user here, and we apply the filter. All right, there are 4 tickets, which is in status confirm, and we just click reset to back to the initial state of the booking management. And this interesting function here, we can export all the data to an Excel file. And we just open the file, and all the data is export to Excel file here. Right, we can view this. All right, let's see the 2 action here. We can view the ticket here. Right, the bookings details 101 that shows the journey information, customer information, which is the user, and also the seat that's selected by the user, and also the payment information. All right, we can edit the bookings here. We can change the seat that's selected by the user to B5 and update bookings. All right, the seat assignment is already changed to B5, which is initial is A4, right? And we can print out the ticket also. Yeah, here, seat selected is also changed. All right, so back to here, just choose, let's just delete the bookings. Then it will put out a message just for confirmation, and we click OK. All right, the bookings is cancelled successful, and the status is changed to cancel. And back to bookings, we can see the cancel status is already changes. All right, this is for booking management. And back to dashboard, we'll see the register user here. We can manage the user. All right, there are so many users here, which is also identified by their user ID and the name, email, and register date, and the bookings that are already booked by the user, and the last activity also, use date also. And the status here, there are 2 status, which is the active and also the admin. If the user is an admin, and in the status here, it will show the admin here. And for the action, we just choose like a normal user. We can edit the user. In this stage, the account information is shown, and also the recent activities by the user. And we can view all the bookings by the user also. If we click this button, we will back to booking management, and the user is also selected CH in the sorting functionalities, and we'll see all these 4 bookings are booked by the user CH, and also status in cancel already. So back to manage user, we can view also. All right, so this we can edit the user, change their name, and also email, and also the administrator privilege. We just can give the user as we are the admin, and we can give to others user the admin privilege. Just click, but we don't. All right, we just click it and update the user. All right, back to here. CH is already an admin now. Okay, then we can also delete user here. Yeah, we just click delete if, and okay. All right, the query is already deleted just now. All right, so that's all for the user management, and it's the end for the admin functionalities here. Thank you.
So in conclusion, BIZO helps to transform the traditional bus booking process into a faster, smarter, and more organized digital system. It improves the experience for both users and administrators by automating the bookings, reducing errors, and centralizing operations. With its simple interface and scalable design, BIZO offers a practical solution for modern transport management. That's all from us. Thank you.